ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು
Never did it on any living person, though. Yeah. Sorry. You just woke up and here I am, chatting up a storm. Are you alright? Do you feel any discomfort? You can call me Trisha. And she's Yang. We are in the Gorge of Spirits. It's on the outskirts of Jinzhou, Huanglong. You're tired doesn't seem local. Are you a roving traveler from afar, or someone returning home? So you don't know why you're here, where you're from, or who you are. I should tell us you have these after effects when you wake up. The wind has brought us warning. The Arctic Sea is converging. It seems a new tacit field is taking shape. It's probably gonna get dangerous here soon. I knew it. Our cords are out of service because of the Etheric Sea's influence. We can't send or receive messages for help now. We better hurry over to meet up with Baijun and gather. Guess you really can't recall a thing. But don't worry. If you got any questions, we can talk as we move. Yang and I will give you the full scoop, every little detail from the get-go. Mover, can we call you that for now? Before you remember your true name? We shouldn't stay here. If you don't have other plans, how about leaving with us for now? The terrains are complicated here, and we usually take but one route. If you don't mind, perhaps we can leave together for now. You can decide your future plans once we leave here. Yeah, let's get going! I know you can't remember a thing, but there's one thing I'm 90%, no, 100% sure about you. You must be a resonator too. You've got a tacit mark on the back of your hand, and you have a gourd. This is proof you're a resonator. It is all nice and quiet here now, but you never know when a tacit discord might pop up out of nowhere. Oh my, speak of the devil!
I sense your weakness.
You still remember how to fight despite having forgotten? forgotten everything? Wow. Watch me lead the charge next time. No one messes with my shop. I mean...
What's wrong? Are you injured from the fight? You saw our sentinel in your memories? Yes, the one we built this statue for. The Oracle Engine Sentinel in Jinzhou. There is one capital and 6 cities in Hong Kong, with each city having its own sentinel. The sentinel in Jinzhou is known as Jie, manifesting in the form of a long, like the statue you just saw. You were standing face to face with our sentinel? One can hardly see our sentinel with their own eyes. Most people only get the chance during the appointment ceremonies. According to your description, you stepped pretty close. Only the sentinel's appointed resonator is allowed in its proximity. For now, that person is the magistrate of Jinzhou.
Whoa! Darn! That must be an elite class!
Xia might be in danger. Rover, please.
The end has come. Swift and resolute. No hesitation.
Let me be your blade.
The hour is upon us.
You fought so well. I didn't even get a chance to help, and Yang Yang just rushed over to protect. See? There's a resonance beacon over there. When you see a beacon, be sure to register and activate it. It's usually safe within a 5-meter radius of a beacon. It can protect you from danger sometimes. Rover, could you hand me your terminal for a moment? Rover, could you hand me your terminal for a moment? Done. Its design and system version are different from ours, but your terminal still has the data transfer almost at the gorge's entrance. There will be a descent, but if your terminal's glider module...
Once you're out of the gorge, there's only a short walk to reach Jinzhou.
Jinzhou is the safest place around here. The Resonance Nexus provides coverage for the whole city. Besides, we've got a protective area and strong fortifications. Right? Jinzhou sits between the Desert Island and the Norfolk Barrens. At the board is... Huh? We've agreed to meet up with Baizhe here. Where is she? This is the center of the Wuthering Sea. field? When did it show up? It wasn't here when we just got here, but I didn't sense a hint of a tacit field's presence. So it appeared while we weren't looking? Like in the blink of an eye? Or maybe the etheric sea can tell where we are. Could it be following us? The center of the tacit field. Isn't that Baija? Baija! Baija! We're too far away. Perhaps she can't hear us. We agreed to meet up around here, and she said she was off to collect some samples. Gosh, did she really go straight into the heart of a tacit field for that? Baija wouldn't take such risks without careful consideration. Freshly formed tacit fields go through a dormant period. The faster a tacit field forms, the longer its dormant period lasts. For now, this tacit field should be safe. True! Who could have set the bait then? Some tacit discords can parrot human speech and behavior, namely the whisperings. I doubt whether they can imitate a real person to this extent, though. Right. The glider can't carry us beyond the tacit field's range. Besides, Baija is there. We'll have to go down and see what is going on. Now it's time to use the glider module. Rover, let me help you activate it.
You are all right, it seems.
Yeah, she was super energetic and super BTD. Way more spirited than me.
I've been keeping an eye on her condition through the street.
Baija is just concerned about your condition. She must think we shouldn't be letting you move around that much, since you've just regained consciousness. Wow, would you look at that?
This isn't the place for talking. Let's go. Let me be your blade. Let the winds roar.
Swift and resolute. The hour is upon us.
Let me be your blade.
Swift and resolute. Moment of resonance. Keep it together. One more time.
Let me be your blade.
Are you alright? Are you hurt? Oh, thank goodness. We can see that dark barrier, but couldn't lay a finger on it. I'm fine too. I've never seen such a formidable tacit discord before, but Rover was able to completely defeat it. I didn't really do much. It was all thanks to you, well, that's strange. This place is known to be so dangerous. Anyway, come check this out! Oh, this is an echo. Wow, an echo of the elite class. Someone got lucky today. My apologies. We got a little carried away. Does reverberation or echo ring a bell to you, Rover? Everything in our world is made up of frequencies, and every sound generates a reverberation. Those echoes are the lingering reverberations of tacit discords after they disintegrate. We can absorb them into the databanks in our Pangu terminals. Oh, by Pangu terminal, she means the gourd-shaped device every resonator has, developed by researchers in Walong. But you see, it's not always you get to find these. Also, there's a limit to what your gourd can absorb. Absorption is only possible when your databank's level is equal to or higher than the tacit discord's level. The terminal can then convert its reverberation into an echo for use in battle. My terminal issued a warning when it detected that tacit discord earlier. It should at least be an overlord class. Rover, would you mind checking your databank level? No need for that. Rover, why don't you just try absorbing it with your terminal? Oh, so it doesn't work.
It won't take long before the reverberations disappear and the etheric sea vanishes. Once that happens, the resonance beacon signals will come back. The tacit field will dissipate, biding time for its next resurgence. We'll need to report the unusual phenomena here to the City Hall and the Academy. Let's make our exit.
What kind of power is that? Rover, you've been playing the fool all along? I've never seen a resonance ability quite like this. You got any other tricks up your sleeve? Like in the whole tacit discord? Gurgling echoes alive? Indeed. So what would a tacit discord taste like? Spicy? Sweet? Rover, are you feeling alright? Any discomfort? Could it be the side effect of fighting a tacit discord? Badger, can we take Rover to do a checkup at Washoe Academy's Resonance Medical Department?
Badger? Absorbing echoes with the human body is not entirely unprecedented.
With the human body. I remember a comprehensive mirror for historians mentioned this in the Huanglong section's opening as the celestial being descended, commanding the Tiangon's boundless power. Assuming mortal form, they condensed the primordial essence, creating Pangu, cleaving heaven and earth apart. They aligned with the celestial and terrestrial. Their radiance encompassed the four corners. Thus began the illustrious annals of Huanglong, as provinces were first demarcated. There was a very strong person way back, like they held the whole universe right in their hands. As there was no terminal in those days, they absorbed the tacit discords with their bare hands. And the tea they absorbed was the most powerful of all. That person turned into the first echo ever, and they used the power of that echo to rebuild the world, sort out the laws, and that's how the history of Huanglong began. Actually, no. I don't think it was so. Those were just some old tales my parents used to tell me, kind of like the Sentinel's appointment thing. Yang-Yang's got an impressive memory for the ancient texts. Me, I just happen to roughly remember what the story's about. Whether it's true or not, that story happened a long time ago, when Jinzhou didn't even exist. Could it be that Rover is like the great-great-great-great-great-granny of us all?
Let's not jump to conclusions without enough data and proper analysis. Rover.
From the City Hall. My fellow soldiers and citizens, I apologize for any inconvenience caused. I am Jinji, the magistrate of Jinzhou. As the Moon Chasing Festival approaches, our city welcomes visitors from around the world. The festivities are highly anticipated by our people, and I too share in this joyful sentiment. Jinzhou has always been crucial defenses against the tacit discord outbreaks, safeguarding Huanglong. We have a heavy responsibility on our shoulders with no room for retreat or failure. It is the dedication of our warriors.
along with the diligence of our citizens, that has allowed us to thrive in peace and prosperity. Despite the challenges of tacit discords, we remain steadfast and hospitable to visitors, upholding our enduring traditions. With that in mind, I have a favor to ask. Among our many visitors, there is one visitor that holds utmost importance to me, the city of Jinzhou, and the entirety of Huanglong. We have awaited your arrival for a long time. Given the circumstances, you may be feeling bewildered at this time. You should have noticed some strange happenings related to you. If you plan to stay in Jinzhou for some time, I would be more than delighted to personally meet you in the City Hall of Jinzhou. While I cannot guarantee to provide all the answers you need, I will do my best to assist you and provide necessary permissions, if applicable. This is only my personal request. You can decide your course of action in any way you see fit. Therefore, I request the people and the soldiers of Jinzhou to assist this esteemed visitor when the opportunity arises.
Why do I get this feeling?
This person our magistrate was talking about.
It's Rover. Now you're talking a little like Baiju, Rover. Hey, that ain't the point, okay? What are your plans now, Rover? I remember you had a flashback of yourself looking into its eyes when you saw the statue of our sentinel. We can't confirm its authenticity, but based on the magistrate's message, it seems Jinzhou has a lot to do with your past. Whether you were the visitor our magistrate mentioned or not, you are surely important to Jinzhou, and you will be our important friend. We've already entrusted our lives to each other. I've never seen so many humans packed together. And Emily was so scary. Well, you did get rid of most of them. Anyway, once we're back in Jinzhou, I'll treat you to that famous specialty from Paradise Restaurant.
It would be best for your well-being to have a thorough physical examination once we arrive in Jinzhou. While there don't seem to be any immediate side effects following the absorption of that echo, we cannot rule out the possibility of other latent risks. Given our lack of data on you and your unusual physical signs, I suggest observing.
I'm gonna get you one you can absorb. I never go back, I promise. You're a hero on the hunt.
Shake the shakeless. Swift and resolute. I sense your weakness.
Can you reenact what you did before?
Maybe you could only absorb the power. Does it have to be a certain type? Or maybe we should give your turn in the world. Yay! It worked! Your turn's got a different look. But the definitions are pretty much the same.
Maybe your brain